Hi dear, so I put up a post in my community in YouTube and someone requested that I make the white turban. It's a baby turban. And before we get into that, I would like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment and share this video. So here I have with me a velvet material that I've cut out already in the piece that I need, and it's measured 18 inches by 11 inches. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to be folding it into two like so. Okay, so I'm ensuring that I put it in order. You have to fold it into perfect two. I know the velvet material tends to like rumple together. I was trying to straighten it. Then I'm using my barrel and I'm making a curve, like to form a semicircle. Can you see where it's going? I'm using barrel because I couldn't see with chalk, so I had to use barrel, but I'll cut that out. I made it very light. Then you use your needle or pin or whatever and just hold it down there so you can cut it without it shifting. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut with my scissors all the way down. So keep watching and learning. Next thing you want to do is open it up. Now when I opened it, I noticed that it didn't curve out well. My scissors didn't cut out that part very well, so I'm just showing you in case you had that issue, but it shouldn't happen this way for you, I pray. If it does, this is what you do. Just use your hand and carve it out smoothly by yourself. Okay, so once that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to fold it twice at this area like so, and I'm going to sew it all the way down, and I'll be back with you. But before then, let me show you this other part. Now, this is the part I'm going to use to make my bow, and it's measured 10 inches by 5 inches. Okay, then I have my light gum stand that I'm going to put inside so that it will stand, and this is 10 inches and 2.5 by the width. So this is how you're going to place it. You're going to place it like this, upside down. Then you're going to be sewing it. You leave a small space that you can turn it around. So now I have it back from the sewing machine, and this is the way I'm going to sew it. I'm going to start from here and I'm sewed all through the curve. I think I didn't record that part in the video very well, but you know the curve, the semi curve that you have, that's where you're going to be sewing running stitches. So you start first of all by sewing twice at that edge so it doesn't get it doesn't come off. And I'm going to do running stitches. Can you see the way I'm doing the running stitches? It's going to go from there to the other side. You're not sewing it all the way around, no, just the semicircle curve. Keep watching and learning. Now I would be dropping the links of all the items that we used in making this Mako fascinator in the description of this video. So if you can't get it in your local store, you would have Amazon links, AliExpress links. Also, YouTube has given us a choice to be tagging the items on the video. I would also search for that and see how I can tag to make it easy for you to get all the products if you cannot find it in your local store. Now once you're done with that, you want to join it together to the other end, and then you will sew it together like so. Keep watching and learning. Okay, now over to the bowl. Now this bowl, I've already turned it inside out. So all you need to do is just do as if you're tying a bow. Very easy. Watch and learn. Like that. And like that. And you bring it out and just arrange it smoothly well the way you want. And your twisted bowl is ready. Very easy. If you thought it was very easy, do let me know in the comment section below. And then you take your needle and thread and you're going to be putting it like so. Just place it on top of that part that you sewed together and you're going to be sewing it this way. Keep watching and learning. And that's how you make that baby turban. Now, if you want to see how I did the packaging like this, can you see how it's as if it's one on the head? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you gained value from this video, give me your thumbs up. Have you subscribed? Are you still waiting? You're still watching? Nah, click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check out this next video.